What's up? It's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because iOS 14 videos are trending right now. I'm going to show you guys my iOS 14 layout and how I did it. And it's actually really cool. Like, I really like it. I want to give a huge shout out to two people. My friend Addison Kuntz, and then there's a fellow recruit who I don't want to butcher his name, so I'm going to have it posted here. Thank you so much, you two. Kuntz let me borrow her Mac adapter, which allows me to take the SD card out of this camera that I'm using and transport the video onto my MacBook. And then I want to thank the recruit because he allowed me to use his camera equipment. He's got a whole tripod, he's got a mic. He's got a whole mic. It's beautiful. This is what I wanted. A tripod. He's got so much more in this bag. You know what I mean? Like, it's like I'm having so much fun. But anyways, you guys didn't come here for that. But I do want to give a huge thank you to you guys. If you guys are watching, thank you so much. You may or may not know that Apple came out with this new software. It's iOS 14. And it allows you to customize your home screen. Usually Apple has been like uniform. You know, everyone would only have this like one way to do it, which is like, it's like a my way or the highway kind of mentality. Whereas like Android has been allowing this for a long time. But Apple was like, hey, maybe we should try that out. And they basically perfected it, sort of. But we're gonna start out with my home screen. Okay, so this is what my home screen looks like. I'll have it inserted over here because the video quality is not gonna be the same. This is what it looks like. And then when you open it up, this is the home screen. It's the same picture, and this is what it looks like. I am obsessed with this. Now you may be wondering, how do we get here? How do we get here? The first thing I did was I found this like really aesthetically pleasing background. You would either search up Tumblr, iPhone wallpaper, or go on to Pinterest. And Pinterest has plenty. I found this wallpaper on Pinterest. So we're gonna slide over to Pinterest. Of course, the first step you need to do is download iOS 14. Or, you know, of course, have a device that allows iOS 14. So let's see. iPhone wallpaper. They have plenty of different wallpapers, you know, that are really cute. Love that. Love this, okay? But I went with the one that I found. Ooh, aesthetic. Like, there's so many options for you to choose from. This is one that would be really good for like a purple theme, but that's cute too. Black is not sad, it's poetic. All right. I found this account called Vow, and I will attach the link to their Pinterest down below. But this is where I found all of these cute wallpapers. And the one that I have is this one. So it's currently fall, and I thought this was super cute, right? So I was like, fall is like an orangey, darkish, like, you know, people are wearing orange and whatnot. I think I should start out by telling you guys what kind of phone I have. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in space gray. I've had it for almost a year now. I literally love it. And then I have this old $50 black leather Apple case, which I'm obsessed with, but I've had it since I got my phone, and it's got like all these like scratches on it now. It's still in really good shape. I'm obsessed with it because it's like so soft, and of course Apple made it, so it's gonna fit perfectly. But all right, back to the video. You're gonna find one on Pinterest, right? And then you're going to click on these three little dots, download the image. And now it's saved to your camera roll. And so then you're going to go up to your camera roll. Boop. There it is. And then you're going to make it, scroll right here, use this wallpaper. So whatever one you find, this is how you set it as your wallpaper. So you hit set, whether it be your lock screen or your home screen or both. I have it as both. So I set it to that. Your home screen will be regular. The only thing that has changed thus far would just be the home screen. Like the wallpaper. The apps you'll need to download: Canva, Pinterest, Widget, Shortcuts. Once you have these apps downloaded, you will go to Pinterest and you will find the wallpaper of your choice. They have so many cute things and like so many cute ideas, so I recommend that if you want to find something that's like aesthetically pleasing, go to Pinterest or go to Tumblr. Once we have the wallpaper set on the home screen or the lock screen, wherever you choose, the next step would be to download the apps. And then figure out how you want your layout to be. On my home screen, I have this like sort of planner at the top, which I think is so cute, right? Then I have these basic apps. I felt like I needed to have the ones that I use most on my home screen. And then I've always been the person to only want to have one page of home screen. So like all the apps that I'm going to use would be on the home screen. Before iOS 14 came out, I would just have like the top 3 rows filled with folders of apps. But now I can just put any apps that I'm not using into the app library to keep that aesthetically pleasing look. So I have these apps that I use: calendar, camera, clock, mail, maps, FaceTime, GroupMe, notes, photos, settings, my USAA, weather, and then I have this cute little picture that motivates me with my favorite quote of all time: keep on keeping on, and some pictures of me to remind myself that, you know, not every day is a bad day, because when I took those photos, I was in a really good mood. How do we get the widget? Once you download Widgetsmith, we're gonna open the app and you figure out which size widget you want. So a small widget would be this one here. This is a small widget. This is a medium widget, and a large widget would take up maybe like half of the screen. Figure out what kind of widget size you want, right? It's too easy. So let's say I wanted to do a small one. Okay, so I made this one right here. Now with this one, you may be wondering, how did you get this cute little wave, and like, how did you edit the words and whatnot? So that's why we downloaded Canva. Now with Canva, this is how I edit all my YouTube thumbnails, wallpaper. Like, this is how I edit a lot of what I put onto my YouTube channel. So with this, you can just choose the template that you want to use. So I use Instagram post because it's in that square shape. Found this template, right? Love it. And then I changed the word in the inside in the search bar to hello world, because I'm a cybersecurity major, and anything in the computer science world where you're programming, you'll know hello world. It's like a little inside joke. So I changed it to hello world, and then I changed the background picture. So yeah, so you can change it, you can just update it and whatnot. There's so many pre-made templates you can use. So I just found a pre-made template on Canva and then put it on here. And then you would just download this, boop, automatically save to the camera roll. Back to the widget, you would just click on the widget, this default, scroll down to photo, and then select selected photo, choose the photo, boom. All right, so once you're on the home screen, you'll hit this little plus in the left-hand top corner, scroll down to where it says Widgetsmith, and then you can choose which widget: small, medium, large. We just made a small one. I'm gonna hit add widget. It automatically adds it to the home screen, right? Hit done, so hold it down, hit edit widget, select it, and then of course whenever you make a widget, title it, because you may not remember what it's titled. Motivation, boom, automatically saved, and that's the one we just made. Now I don't want this widget here because I already have my home screen made, so I'm just going to get rid of it and then readjust. Down in the right hand corner where you see the photo of me and the quote, I found a template on Canva pre-made that already had pictures and like words, and I edited the format to, you know, to me. I added the keep on keeping on, and I added the cute little photos, and then inserted my photos that basically match the aesthetic that I'm going for. The next question is, how do you edit how your apps look? The calculator app. Open Canva. So I already had, this is the way I made all my apps. And because I want to keep them color coordinated, I'm just going to edit off of the one that I already had. So I just have an Instagram basic 4x4 photo. And then down in the right hand corner, I'm going to hit the plus sign, scroll to shapes, and then search calculator. Now Canva offers plenty of free icons you can use. And then on top of that, it allows you to color coordinate. Now I want this to be white. Done. The next one, I want it to be like gray. Done. And then the last one, orange does not fit. We'll make it like this kind of grayish thing. Perfect. And then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because my apps are really small. Like the icons are really small. Make it even, centered, perfect. Now I'm going to download it. The next thing you're going to do is open the Shortcuts app. Now once you're here, you're going to hit the plus sign in the right hand upper corner. Hit add action. Then you're in the search bar, type in open app. Select choose. Now choose an app that you want to open. Calculator. So every time that I use this icon, well, this shortcut that we're about to make, it'll open the calculator app, but it'll have that aesthetically pleasing look of the icon that'll fit the home screen. The next thing you're gonna do is hit the 3 little hamburger dots in the corner. Shortcut name. We're gonna name it calculator. add to home screen. And here, this is what it's gonna look like on the home screen. So calculator, I have all my apps in all caps. I just like how it looks. It's a personal preference. And then next to the name, you can click on the icon, hit choose photo, and this is the one we just made. Choose, hit add it to home screen, hit done again, and now we have this little shortcut. So now every time we hit on this, so let's move it over here, see what it looks like. All right, so now we have this calculator app here, and every time we click on it, boop, it'll take us to the calculator, and it is aesthetically pleasing. If you couldn't tell, all of my apps are in alphabetical order. I really like it that way. So you can also change the color of your widget. So let's say you want to change the color of this huge calendar widget at the top. Open Widgetsmith, add medium widget. And here, there are plenty default, already pre-made widgets. I could have chosen a photo, upcoming events, random text, Outlook so it can connect to my calendar, photos in an album. Like there's so many different things you can put there. So I just chose upcoming events because I'm extremely busy. It's ridiculous. Calendars, and it'll show me everything in my calendar that I want to use, which is also really neat. Then you can choose the font. I have rounded, but this time let's do New York. It's a little fancy. Actually, let's do SF Mono because it's the computer science, like the font you use when you're typing and coding. Tint color. So none of these match. However, just for the purpose of this video, actually, we'll do gray. Gray will match. Background color, we'll make this one the 90%. No, we'll make it cream. Cream will be cool. Border color, I don't want a border, but this is where you would do that as well. I'll just hit none. Go back, hit save. Perfect. Now you're going to go back to your home screen. Hold down on the widget. Hit edit widget. Select this. I didn't name it. I didn't rename the second one we just made, but this one, in this case, it'd be medium number 2. Select that. Boom. There you go. That's the widget we just made. It's really fun and really creative on how you can decorate this. I think it's really neat how they allowed it like this. But yeah, so I really hope you guys like this video. I'm so excited about iOS 14. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Like I said earlier, I upload videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, thank you guys so much for the new subscribers. I've gained like 21 in the past like month. Super excited about that. We're really close to 650 subscribers and I think we can get there. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I hope all is going well and I will see you guys again on Sunday. Bye.